guys, in this new video we're going to unbox a new product which is one of the most hot selling and affordable podcasting products from the web. This is Maono AU-PM471TS. It is one of the most hot selling podcasting products from Maono.com. So for those who doesn't know what Maono is a provider of professional desktop wireless microphones, podcast production studios, and headsets for podcasters, audio recording, and streaming creators. So before we start, thank you Maono for letting me to test your product. So if later on you want to check out this product I'm going to unbox, a link will be provided in the description box below so you can check it after watching this video. So let's start to unbox this product. As you can see, it is quite large for a product, so that is why I chose to unbox it at nighttime, because there's a lot of unnecessary noises during daytime. And as what you can hear right now, there are some background noises that you can hear while watching this video. And also a disclaimer, this box has a dent on it because of my dog. As what you can see on the video, he is the one that caused this dent, but it will not affect the overall performance of the product. It is just a dent on the case of the product, or the box of the product rather. So let's start to unbox this. Okay, let me just get my precision cutter. And as what you can see right now, this is the box here. It is like the same size of this picnic box here. Okay, here's the box. Okay, there's a small dent on it, but it is still intact. So what you can see on the right side of the box, there's a built-in chip on the microphone. Next, we have real-time monitoring. We have USB-C output and condenser mic. On the left side, it says that it has adjustable mic input level. It also has shock mount included, and last two is a pop filter and a desktop tripod are also included with this. So on the back, there's a lot of information here. I don't want to explain all of this because it may look that I am not totally informed with all of this, but let's just proceed to opening this. So the first thing that you will get once you open this is this. So the first one is the user manual. So the user manual. Inside of it is the guide on how you can use your mic, especially if you're going to use it on your Windows or Mac. So the guides are already here. Okay, let's set this aside. Next, we have already the mic. So the first one is the USB-A to USB Type-C. Let's just set it aside. Next is the full mic itself. Just a quick note that I've also forgot to mention that they've also included, or they also have a dongle, which is a USB female to a USB Type-C. It is perfect for those devices that has a USB Type-C as a primary source of connection. This is applicable for newer laptops and for those mobile phones that uses Type-C as a connector. So just take note of that. Just take note of this, and that's all. Let's get back to the video. Okay, here's the mic. So it is kind of small for a mic, and I think it is very ideal for creators because it will save a lot of space. Here's the mic. It looks beautiful. Okay, so you can see that here's the port for the USB-C and for the 3.5 headphone jack if you wish to put your headphones while speaking. So let's try to set up this first and let's try to compare it by having a first-hand impression with the mic. Okay. So while I'm speaking, what I'm going to use inside of the audio is my microphone, my mobile phone microphone. What you can hear right now is an output from my smartphone, which is an iPhone 8 or an iPhone 6s. I both use two devices to record my audio to ensure that I will get the clearest audio as possible. Okay. As what you can see, I've already connected this microphone to the laptop that I'm using right now. So let's try to set up this device.
A few moments later.
So I've already set up the mic, guys, as you can see on your screen right now. I inputted the cable with my earphones here, and as what you can hear, my audio is very clear, and I can do an ASMR on this channel with this. In comparison, here's the audio from my phone, from my two phones that I'm using while recording this video. What I can say right now is that I'm very impressed of this microphone, and I can hear a lot of noises while I'm speaking. I'm very happy with this mic, and I think I will be able to record more clear audios for my next videos, especially for tech reviews. Okay, just a reminder that this video is not an in-depth review but more of like a first-hand experience with the product. I will create a full review or an in-depth review with this so that you can check if this microphone is perfect for you. But with my first-hand reaction here, I can already say that this microphone is perfect for young streamers or starting creators just like me. And I think it will not break your wallet because it is very affordable. More of that can be checked on the site or in the description box below. You can check that by clicking the links that I will put there. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and consider hitting that subscribe button and hitting that bell icon so you won't miss anything of my future uploads. This is me again, JC. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye!